update Kim Cho? Bakit nga ba nagiging blooming si Kim Cho? At dito, Chinita presses how Shun on her show Stopping Beauty. Both of them screen since and she was a teenager, and aside from being hardworking actress and TV personality, it seems like the only thing that hasn't changed since Kim Cho was launched to stardom 18 years old. The result of her signature glow, a gentle nurturing skincare with the Face by Bloom. So with the Korean expertise, Face by Bloom is all about nourishing Filipina skin with skin loving product. As the ambassador of the Face by Bloom, Kim is sharing her glow essentials by healthy skin and feels good. Even better, the Miracle Globe received Kim's stamp approval for helping her look fresh and glowing, suitable for any skin type. So yan ang reason kung bakit po nagiging glow si Kim Cho. And besides, hindi lang dahil sa Face by Bloom, nagiging blooming at inspired si Kim dahil kay Paolo Avellino. Number 1 dito kung bakit nagiging blooming si Kim dahil kay Paolo. Lalo na sa kanilang series. And fairness naman, sa Hyundai Motors Philippines, nilike ni Kim ang post ni Paolo. Yun po ay kuha ng Hyundai Motors Philippines. Supportive each other. Kahapon sa IG story ni Kim, something pictorial, at andoon si Lakam, kapatid niya. Very supportive nga talaga naman si Lakam pagdating sa project ni Kim. Sa pictorial, ano kaya iyon? Tanong ng karamihan kung ano yung pictorial na yon. Baka mayroon na naman siyang something endorsement or shoot. Malalaman natin yan guys kung ano po iyon.